Yo, what up, my villagers? I have my energy back, even though I got like 6 hours of sleep, but still, I'm all good for you guys to be energetic. I baked my grandpa's basement. I think I did another video here. So yeah, basically, this video is, I'm gonna link it to Woody's Gamer Tech because he just posted a video a little while ago saying Tourette syndrome. And I was curious, and I watched it, and he has Tourette syndrome. And for those of you who don't know, those new subscribers, you new villagers, I have Tourette syndrome also. And basically, I'm gonna say how it affects me, and it basically, Tourette syndrome is different for everybody. So I'll take you to the next slide, showing you how it's different for everybody, and yeah, and it kind of explaining what it is. So yeah, see you there. So hey, oh, I forgot to mention, this is kind of a serious video, so don't go dropping some hate, please. And Tourette syndrome isn't anything big. It can't kill you. It doesn't affect your health or anything. It just kind of affects how you act sometimes. Like if you see me, look, actually, I'll show you what happens to me, but like, it's different for everyone. For example, it could make you like suck in your stomach out, like sort of like that. Like if you're going like that, just like that. Weird eye movements like this, or closing your eyes tightly. Making some weird noise, voice cracks. Like see right there, I get some of those, and that's because of Tourette syndrome. Don't think it's cause puberty and all that. So so yeah, that's basically what it is. It's different for everyone. I know there's tons more. There's twitching like that, fast movements, maybe cracking your neck, maybe like, and you normally always have to move. Some are body movement. Basically, that's what it is. It's fast movement like that. So please don't laugh at me for this. It's serious, and I just don't want to be made fun of for this. And so yeah, taking the next slide, saying what I have. Yo, what up? I'm gonna show you what I have, how Tourette syndrome affects me. Tourette syndrome, this is the reasons that affect me. Do you hear my voice cracks? Like, do you hear? Sometimes it goes like, it goes lower pitched. Well, that's because, that's one reason. It affects my voice sometimes. And, another reason is, I make really fast body movements, and like people, no one really makes fun of me because I try not to do it in public, but if I have to, oh yeah, and you can't really control Tourette syndrome. It's something that just goes out. It just comes out of nowhere. You can control it if you want. You can say, no, I don't want to do this, but it's gonna really bother you. Like in school, I'm urged to do it so bad, so I'll go to the bathroom and basically do it there. None of my teachers know about it. None of my friends really know about it. From my old school, all my friends knew about it. All my teachers knew about it. And yeah, but I moved on kind of embarrassed to tell my friends and all my teachers because this year I switched classes. And last year I switched classes, and I don't really want to tell because then I would have to tell like the whole school. Because the whole 7th grade, because I switched classes in 7th grade. For those of you who don't know, I'm in 7th grade. And I just didn't want to tell like 200 people. So yeah, and it makes me do like twitches, sort of like if you see me crack my neck like that, that's it. Or if I go like this, or one of the biggest reasons I already told you, my voice cracks. And this one of another big reason that affects me is like that. Do you see my eyes, how they squinch? Like I'll either blink a lot or go like that. I'll make noises like that. And all these things that happen to me are actually coming out right now. It happens very often, and it's just something that comes out. And my Tourette syndrome is actually, it doesn't go away. It sticks with you, I believe, for your whole life. But it comes at you. It doesn't come to everyone. A cure to everyone. Only some people. And basically, when I was going through Tourette syndrome, when I first got it, I was in 5th grade. So that was like 2 or 3 years, going on 3 years ago, I believe. Yeah. And my parents are crying because they didn't know what was going on with me. And so they took me to the hospital, and all the hospitals knew. So they had to keep traveling around the area, trying to find a hospital that would actually take care of me. And one of them said, I have tics, and they said tics is nothing like Tourette syndrome. But then my local doctor took me in because they felt bad and said, here, they took my blood and all that, gave me some shots just to see what was going on, and I have Tourette syndrome. And they said that the hospital they took me to didn't really know what they were doing. So I was like, okay. My parents are crying by then, but at the same time, they felt a lot better knowing that I had Tourette syndrome, and knowing that it wasn't entirely so bad as they thought it would be. My mom would be begging to take me to the hospital or something. I didn't want to go because I thought it was just a little habit that I have, because I get in habits sometimes, like biting my lips sometimes, like that. I get weird habits, and like chewing gum sometimes, and I thought it was just a little habit. And so after a while, my mom started getting suspicious, like, how come he's not stopping after like so long? And she just decided to take me. And it was funny, she bribed me with $100, and so that's the reason why I went like, ooh, $100, why not? So yeah, that's how Tourette syndrome affects me. Let me know in the comments if you know anyone, or if you do have Tourette syndrome, and let me know what you or that person has. Another one is like this, like kind of going like that, and I'm gonna be giving this to Woody's Gamer Tag just because he has it. I just want to see if he would actually say something about it. Well, yeah, this is my Tourette syndrome, and please don't laugh at me or make fun of me. Because if you do, I'll be really sad and mad. And yeah, so if someone does start making fun of me, I will flag them. I will block them and all that. So please don't. And yeah, this is my Tourette syndrome story. Got in 5th grade. I was about 10 years old. And by then, I didn't really know how to handle it, because then again, I was so young, and I was kind of scared, because back then, words hurt me. Like, if you would call me, not like shut up or stupid, that didn't affect me, but like, if you made fun of me, I would get a little sad. But like, now that I'm starting to know what it's like, I really don't care if someone says haha, or, because I get a lot of people, like, I'll walk around in the store, like, mind my own business, and I'll be doing it, the Tourette syndrome stuff, all the things that affect me, and people stare at me, and I'm like, okay, whatever, and so what, they're rude as hell. So yeah, so peace. So yeah, I almost forgot one important thing. Well, it's not important, but yeah. Peace, villagers. I still have my energy, and please don't drop a like. It'll show me that you actually care about this. And if you like this video and subscribe and comment, then just by liking it will tell me that you understand. And yeah, I'll be giving this to Woody's Gamer Tag. Yeah, peace, villagers. See you later.